Hi friends, long time no see. This is Leslie from Avalon Acres Farm, and we're back to our lapbook. Yeah, I've been gone for a while. I got a new computer and I had to get that set up, and I've been spending days transferring stuff between the two computers via OneDrive, and then rearranging my desk and everything to fit the new, because my old computer's a laptop. My new computer, I got a desktop because I don't need to move it. I still have my laptop if I need a laptop, but this one, my laptop is just a cheap little laptop, and it has no it's weak to put it mildly. So I wanted to learn how to use Paint Shop Pro and do my videos in Adobe Premiere, and my laptop did not have the memory strength nor the video card for using those. So that was my primary reason for changing. But yeah, I needed more hard drive space. I needed a stronger processor and a better video card. So now we got it. So anyway, so this guy's been sitting here. You haven't seen, but I did a thing. Okay, so we've got our little doors here. Open it up. Ta-da! Yes, I cut it apart, and one of my wonderful viewers, Karen, recommended that I glue it to the back of the cover, which, as it was originally together, it was glued to the back of the cover of this, but I believe she meant the back of this. And after mulling that around a bit, I thought, okay, I'm just going to cut this thing apart and put it back together in a way that I think works. And here we are. So we've got our flippy, which I put a longer piece of material on so it flips over this way. Okay, got our pockets. Open up. So, and then that, which it looks like I have to, oh wait, I did this wrong. There we go. I have to glue that on better. Okay, so we've got that. And then we've got our pockets here. Flip. We've got our notepad here. We've got pockets here. Open. Right now, all we have here is just this connected to it, and then we've got a bag here with pocket and then pocket behind it. Okay, and then that flips over. We've got like a triple pocket here, and this opens up. Pocket, pocket, pocket. So I still have a little bit of stuff I need to do with the ephemera. None of this is finished. None of this is finished. And then decide whether I'm going to actually put something on this page or just keep it like that. And now that I have space to do things, it makes it a lot better. Now the journal that I'm going to make for this, it's gonna be a smaller one, because even though I have space, I don't have a ton of space once these are closed up together. So what I'm probably going to do is do like a small field notes type journal, just bigger in size but not bigger in width. And then because I've also got I'm going to have a lot of smaller journals throughout the lapbook as well. So we need to finish. I lost whatever I had glued on here. This thing has been janked around so many times. So we got that magnet. We got big pocket here, and this is, oh, that was a Roxy's Weekly Challenge. Well, actually a lot of the ephemera in here is Roxy's Weekly Challenge. And we've got a pocket here with a flip on it. We've got this pocket, which I don't have anything in yet. Okay. We've got these two little pockets that need stuff in it. Got that, and then just some ephemera in there. Got another bag here with double pocket, and then we've got these which we need to make stuff for. Okay, and then this section has not been decorated at all. I got a pocket here, and then these pockets need to be decorated. And also around this, I want to decorate up here just to hide the pieces parts, and such. And then the drawers all come out very nicely. And then I need to make I can't push it out that way anymore. That's right. I need to make a pull for this, but I need to work on maybe shaving this down. Or what I've been doing is taking my bone folder and just kind of repeatedly just pressing down on it to try and flatten it out a little more, just to make it. I don't want to cut it down, and I don't really want to make another drawer because this one's really perfect. See if that helps. That is better. But I'll keep working. Ooh, I don't want to close it all the way. There we go. Okay. I gotta keep working on that. So this is where we are with the lap book. I'm really happy with how it turned out like this. I'm really liking it. And yeah, I've got a bunch of little stuff I gotta do all over it and everything, but I just wanted to show you how it's turned out. And I'll probably come back when I start working on this area, and then we'll have a ephemera session for, you know, the stuff that's not finished and everything, and then it'll just be making the journal for it. So we're almost done. We're almost done. Of course, that means probably like hours worth of more work for it, but that's what it looks like from the top. There we go. I love it. Yeah, and then I still got more decorating to do on the cover and everything. This, I tried really hard to make sure that everything was in here so these wouldn't bow out. But I think once I have the journal in there, it'll spread it out better, and then it won't bow out. But that's really, right now, my biggest concern. and then just decorating it. I'm going to, now the journal that I make for this, it's not going to be sewn in. I'm going to do a Midori style, have a elastic in here for it to fit on so it can be taken out and stuff. And I mean, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna have like an eyelet up here for dangles and stuff. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving how it turned out. This thing has been through so many changes, but I mean, that's the thing, when you do something for the first time, you have to experiment and, you know, figure out how you're going to do things. And yeah, I watched lapbook videos. I didn't really watch any making of. I watched flip throughs to see, you know, how people had done stuff and everything. So basically, you know, I was just kind of doing this off the cuff. And but you know, I'm happy with how it's turning out. So, you know, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think I can do to improve it, and or any other ideas you have for it. I mean, there's a lot of areas where I want to trim and make look better, and you know, so I mean, I'm gonna have a bunch of little stuff going on just to make it even better, you know, just like decorating this area up here, and trimming out like this area. I'll probably put like some trim here just to pretty it up, and you know, just getting, you know, these pieces of trim glued down better, because it's been removed and put back and removed and put back. So yeah, there's some adjusting I have to do on some of the parts, but I am in love with this. So I hope you like it too, and like I said, please leave me comments, let me know what you think of it, and let me know if you want to see me do all the finish work. I mean, should I make videos? Should I continue just videoing all the steps? Or, you know, should I do a bunch off camera and then just come back and do like a flip through when I'm done? I really would like to know your opinion on that. And guys, if you watched the video, please give me a thumbs up. I've got like 67 views on my last video and 1 thumbs up, and that's not getting my videos pushed into the algorithm. So please, 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 you know, if you're watching the video, please give me a thumbs up if you could, or a thumbs down if you feel it deserves it. Either one I'm fine with, because it promotes activity on this channel and helps get my videos pushed out. So that's it for now. Like I said, leave me some comments what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.